Hello, I am Alok Pandey, lead consultant at Locus Enterprise Solutions Limited. I have more than a decade experience helping customers in designing, architecting, deploying, and managing high performance computing clusters, associated hardwares, applications, and optimizing for the performance on premise and in cloud. Today I am going to discuss how Intel's One API toolkit is going to help developers to use right tools and programming model which will run on heterogeneous platform and provide flexibility to switch among platforms without need of rewriting architecture specific codes. No single architecture is best for every workload. Modern workload diversity necessitates the need for architectural diversity. In the age of heterogeneous computing, one of the biggest challenges is coding across various architecture. Writing and deploying code for CPU, GPU, and FPGA require knowledge of different languages, libraries, and tools. Each hardware platform requires a separate skill and unique software investment. Every hardware architecture is suitable for unique application workload. For example, scalar for CPU, where every cycle one instruction operates on one word of data. Vectors for GPUs, where each cycle one instruction operates on many words of data. Scalar and vector architecture instructions flows through pipe. Then matrix. Every cycle, one instruction multiplies matrices. In spatial architecture, data flows through a grid of processing elements. Modern CPU have some vector capabilities, that is AVX, and GPUs have a specialized matrix processing hardware. One API toolkit. As name indicates, it is a unified and simplified language as well as libraries. In diagram, one API is placed above hardware, which means one API can directly communicate with CPU, GPU, FPGA, and other accelerators. One API is based on industry standards and open specifications. Middleware and frameworks like deep learning are placed above one API in the diagram, meaning they are optimized using one API. Customers scalar, vector, matrix, spatial, etc. workload are optimized by one API. Under one API initiative, there are two parts: direct programming, that is languages, and API-based programming, that is libraries. And lower block is the interface to provide hardware abstraction layer to vendors. In the left block, there is data parallel C++, in short DPC++ language for direct programming. DPC++ is an open standards-based and evolution of ISO C++ that incorporates Cornos SQL and community extension. In the right block, there are set of domain-specific powerful libraries to accelerate compute-intense workloads. I'll talk about both. Data Parallel C++ is an open alternative to single architecture proprietary languages. It allows developers to reuse code across hardware targets, CPUs, and accelerators such as GPUs and FPGAs, and also perform custom tuning for a specific accelerator. It delivers the productivity benefits of familiar ISO C++ and Cornos SQL and community extensions. It compiles C++, SQL, and DPC++ source codes. It generates optimized binary host code and accelerator codes. The API extensions are driven by open and cooperative community development. API-based programming libraries are designed for acceleration of key domain-focused functions like one API DPC++ library, one API math kernel library, one API data analytics library, one API deep neural network library, one API collective communications library, one API threading building blocks, one API video processing libraries. Each can be custom coded for any platform to deliver uncompromised performance. The big question is how to access one API software before planning to migrate the production workload. Intel provides you access to develop, run, and optimize your code in the cloud-based development sandbox with 120 days of full access. You can access samples or run your own workloads. Intel provides one API toolkit, that is one API based toolkit, and add-on toolkits for high performance computing, artificial intelligence, IoT, and many more. It also provides other tools and libraries like Intel One API, DPC++ compiler, Intel One API math kernel library, Intel distribution for Python, Intel vTune profiler, Intel Advisor, Intel DL framework, and more. You can use the latest Intel hardware for free for 120 days. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, please visit oneapi.com, software.intel.com/oneapi, or intelsoftwaresite.secure.force.com/devcloud/oneapi to access Intel Dev Cloud for free. I am Alok Pandey, lead consultant at Lucas Enterprise Solutions Limited. Thank you once again.